well-appointed and meticulously maintained house in the gated golf course community of Heron Creek. Once you walk through the front door, you will feel welcomed by the open floor plan. Large open kitchen with breakfast bar, solid surface countertops and plenty of cabinetry. Plantation shutters, blinds and custom window treatments will stay with home. Split bedroom floor plan with oversized guest bedrooms and guest bathroom with walk-in shower. Master bedroom is very oversized with plenty of room for your king furniture set. House is wired for surround sound and security alarm system. Seller is offering to transfer her platinum membership with the purchase of the home. Call agent for details.